What's up, online shoppers? I just got a brand new box of these Dr. Select Diabetic socks. Now there are 4 pairs in here and they are the crew style. And I have to tell you, these are fantastic. I've been looking for some socks for my mother-in-law who has swelling in her legs. So let's open these up and see if these are going to do what I wanted. Now look at this. Here are the colors. These are really nice colors. And I will say, when I looked on the website, they had so many different colors to choose from. That was already an automatic plus in my opinion. Let's get a close-up of these socks and talk about why I want to give them a try. Now in this box, you get 4 pair of the neuropathy socks for diabetic men and women. That's what it says right here. And let's look at the features and see why these would be a good pick for you. Now sizing wise, you can get these in either a medium or a large size. And they have easily 12 different color combinations that you can pick from. You can pick plain black and white, you can do a combo, you can get colors that are in the pinks, purples, and blues, in the browns, greens, and yellows, in the grays, in the light pink, light blue, and neutral colors like this one right here. So these are made up of 97% polyester and 3% spandex, and they have a really nice stretch to them. They stretch really nicely. They do retain their shape really nicely here. Now it says that these are great for swollen feet. That is why I purchased them. My mother-in-law has swelling in her feet and her ankles, so finding socks that fit for her is always going to be a challenge, and I really liked the look of these ones. They have a really nice soft feel on my hand, and you can see that they even have venting on the top. Like, it's a lot thinner knit on the top here, so you actually are gonna have really good airflow in here. The toe is really smooth here. Even though there is a slight seam, it's one of those ones that isn't stitched in a way that it's going to bother your toes. As well, the cushioning on the sole is noticeable. So I mentioned to you that the upper part here was thinner for airflow. Well, the bottom part of the sock is super cushy. And I think that's gonna make this a really comfortable sock to wear. Now, in order to market these as diabetic socks, they had to be tested and get an endorsement, and they have done that. So they have this beautiful cushioned sole, they have a smooth seam across the toe, and the top is a wide top. You can get a pretty good stretch in here, and you can see that the material is very forgiving, and it's also not super thick, so you're not going to be heating up from a really thick sock. The only place you want it to be a little thicker is in the sole, and it definitely has good padding and cushioning there. I'm really impressed with these. I love the color. The feel of the material is super soft, and I'm pretty sure these will wash up well based on the fact that they are polyester and spandex without a lot of pilling happening. So I think that this is fantastic. I'm super impressed with these coming out of the box. The color selection, the fact that you have all different colors to choose from, the design of the sock, the way it feels in my hand, really high quality work. If you take a look at the seams, everything is really nicely stitched with a super soft yarn. I think these are going to be a family favorite at my house.